relax. Wow! Wow! Congrats! Congrats, Carlos! How do you feel about the love tonight sa premiere nyo? What are you feeling before everyone gets to see it?
How are we feeling?
Yeah, before everyone will see it.
Sobrang kamay ko. Kasi hindi ko pa napapanood actually.
No way! First time nyo rin.
Ako.
Napanood ko na siya eh. So I know what to expect. So nakaabang ako sa reaction ng
Ako, always naman excited. Pero may kinakabahan. Gusto namin maganda talaga yung pelikula. Sinabi naman ni Judy sa akin na sobrang maganda daw.
Oh! Ano yung gusto mong pinaka-ma-enjoy at ma-experience ng audience when they watch the film?
Oh wow, that's a good question.
Nahulog.
You know, we don't get to talk about this so much all throughout the rounds, but I'm so excited for them to see just how beautiful Japan is in this film and the way that Direk really captured paano niya tinahin yung location sa love story ni Woody at saka ni Linlin. So I'm excited about the setting. And then of course, I'm excited for them. I wonder how they'll react to the love story of Linlin and Woody just because there's an ability involved and there's a gift involved. So I'm excited for the reviews.
Yeah, go ahead,
Yeah, what are
Carlo.
you?
Siguro love and hope. Sa buhay, kahit anong mangyari, laging may pag-asa, laging may balik sa'yo na maganda.
What's the best part about working with each other? Because this is your second, tama ba? Third project? Parang, what's the best part about working with each other?
Well, you know, like I said the last time, like Woody is so reliable. He really has this gift also to bring out the best in his co-actors. So I love working with him, and it feels like it really is a teamwork on the set. Of course, with Derek Jason also, who both directed and wrote the script.
About you, Carlo.
Ako, syempre, yung pagiging professional ni Juju, at saka yung pagiging authentic. Kapag may gusto siyang malaman, tatanungin niya, yung gano'n, very straightforward, yan yung na-appreciate ko talaga.
Bukod sa Hold Me Close, anong iba niyo pang papanoorin? Si Juliana na tanungan namin. Ikaw, ano papanoorin mo, Carlo?
Sorry?
Anong iba pang entries na papanoorin mo sa MMFF at sa supportahan?
Iba pang susuportan lahat, susuportahan ko, papanoorin ko talaga lahat.
Wow! Gano'ng kahalaga? Kasi lahat ng iba excited din sa pelikula nyo. Gano'ng kahalaga na lahat kayo dito suportahan, lalo na ngayong in this day and age sa pelikulang Pilipino?
Sobrang laking bagay na magsuportahan yung bawat pelikula dahil alam naman natin na struggling pa rin ang industry natin. At saka, salamat